Okay, Sunday, September 4th, 2022, almost done. I'm thinking of giving it a title relating to the fact that the adults who over decades drive the Israeli-Palestinian conflict continue to choose the B's, letter B. Bullets, bombs, body bags, bloodshed, when they should be doing the B, breaking bread, negotiating. If the South Africans could do that, the last apartheid government, sitting down with the hated African National Congress, and if the Catholics and Protestants in Northern Ireland could sit down and break bread, why the heck can't the Israelis and Palestinians do the same? All right, to be continued. I'm thinking of something for the background, but haven't decided yet.